All right, we're headed to the. Let me try to say this right. We're headed to the vending machine at the Cocoa, Florida Walmart.
I don't know why I don't have. Oh, okay. I don't even cover this stuff, so.
Here we go. Shaking a lot. Guess we're gonna go for which vending machine? What kind of drinks? Oh, they have that really good one right there. Oh, I think we need $1 to get. Yeah, it says it right there, $1. Used to be 50 cents. I missed when they had that. It was actually better when it was 50 cents, I think, in my opinion. All right, we got it in. Now we're going to push the button. But before we do that, here we go. Come out. It's not coming out. Please don't tell me I got ripped off.
What's your button again?
Let's just see if I can get the. I think we're ripped off. I was hoping to get a shot of it, but it ain't coming out. That just sucks. It ripped us off.
Did it get stuck in there, or did it just take your money?
Let me see if I can get. Oh, it's over here. I think we got some coins left.
Cool. It didn't rip you off. It's just broken.
I guess.
So do you want to spray, or do you want to come down here and get us out?
I guess we'll try this again. I guess. Oh.
I think it's coming straight out.
Yeah, it's coming straight out. So I was gonna do that vending machine, but you know what? Screw it. We're doing the other one. Where's the? Oh yeah, this is the one I'm looking for. All right, here we go. Is it counting? Yeah, it is. I guess we'll go for. I don't know what's good. I know what's good here. Here we go. I'm gonna push this button, but before we do, camera down here. We're gonna try this again. There we go. We got it. I guess we're good here. So I guess we're gonna end this video. So we got it.